Of course, the things like the rope, the products that we buy
Yes.
that are sold with our products.
So this is Dan Gritsko, and I'm at CMI. I'm looking at the area where there's ropes and cloth and all types of exciting things to see right here in the factory. This is so cool. I have to say, this is really, really cool. And again, I love just seeing what you're doing and just knowing that you're kind of impacting people around the world.
Yeah, as far as the equipment, it goes everywhere, and you know, everything is made in America here. You might have noticed our big flag. Hard to miss, right? So, you know, very patriotic people, and you know, trying to do the right thing, trying to keep the local economy strong. And if everybody did more of that, you know, we'd have less, you know, less economic problems here.
No, that's right. Well, it's very cool. Thank you.
Yeah.